Hello everyone. The next topic is linear equations of second order with variable coefficients. Now the second order linear equations with variable coefficients we are dealing with. An equation in the form of d square y by dx square plus p of x into dy by dx plus q of x into y is equal to r of x, where p of x, q of x, r of x are real valued functions of x, is called linear equation of second order with variable coefficients. This equation is called a linear equation with variable coefficients. Now what we are going to find, I will tell you. General solution, we are finding the general solution of d square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. d square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus q into y is equal to r by the method of variation of parameters. Repeatedly asking question. This time also definitely they will ask one question. Very important method. d square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus q into y is equal to r by the method of variation of parameters. Now to do this problem, what is the working rule we will see. The working rule will be reduce the given equation in the standard form. First, this is the standard form. This is the standard form of the a general solution standard form. If the given equation is in the standard form, okay fine. Otherwise, convert into the standard form. Find the solution of d square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus qy is equal to 0. The solution is, first of all, in the first step, what you have to do, if it is in the standard form, okay fine. Otherwise, if it is not in the standard form, convert into the standard form. After that, the complete solution is CS. Complete, and the solution is, find the solution of d square by dx square, and the solution is CF is equal to 0. CF, first we need to find CF. How to find CF? CF is equal to C1u plus C2v. In the first step, write down this is equal to 0 because is equal to r is there. R later on we will write. Just LHS part, using the LHS part we will find CF. CF is equal to C1u plus C2v. Now C1u plus C2v, and then particular integral is AU plus BV. Finding what is A, what is B, I will tell you. A and B are functions of x. Now W is equal to U into dV by dx minus B into du by dx. Now what is A and what is B? A is equal to minus integral V capital R dx by W. Capital B is equal to integral U capital R dx by W. What is W? W is equal to U into dV by dx minus B into du by dx. Now general solution is yc plus yp. Yc means complementary function, yp means particular integral. Yc is the CF complementary function, yp means particular integral. Now this is the general solution. We will see the first problem. In the first problem, apply the method of, in this problem you can identify very much easily because they will specify the method by the method of variation of parameters. This method you can identify very much easily. Apply the method of variation of parameters to solve d square y by dx square plus y is equal to cosec x. D square second order equation only, they will give you cosec x, tan x, something like that they will give. Why? Because for such type of cosec x, tan x only, we don't have any particular integral methods. Now d square y by dx square plus y is equal to cosec x. Now if you write in the solution, if you write the given equation in the operator form, you will get a d square plus 1 into y is equal to cosec x. Auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation means by substituting d is equal to m, you will get m square plus 1 is equal to 0. If you find the roots, m is equal to, using the formula minus b plus, otherwise m is equal to plus or minus I. Capital R is equal to cosec x. Remember, RHS side, capital R is equal to cosec x. M is equal to plus or minus I. Therefore, YC, complementary function, YC is equal to complementary function yc is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, because plus or minus I you have got. What is the meaning of plus or minus I? 0 plus or minus I, 0 plus or minus I. 0 plus or minus I means e to the power of 0x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, because alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 1. Alpha is equal to 0, e to the power of 0x is 1. c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. This is yc. Now yc equation 1 you have to take. yc is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. This yc you have to assume. This yc you have to assume, let us assume yc is equal to c1u plus c2v. This is actually our yc. Now after that let us assume yc is equal to c1u plus c2v. If you compare both equations, u is equal to cos x, v is equal to sin x. u is equal to cos x, v is equal to sin x. Now u is equal to cos x, v is equal to sin x. Now we will find w. W is equal to, what is the formula of w? U dv by dx minus v du by dx is equal to u. What is u? Cos x. dv by dx into cos x, v sin x into du by dx is sin x. Cos square x plus sin square x value is 1. W is equal to how much we have got? Like this, before itself you have to find w. After finding w, what you have to do? Now we will find a and b. Now we will find capital A. What is capital A? A is equal to, write on the formula, minus integral v capital R dx by w, minus integral v is equal to sin x, capital R is equal to cosec x by w is equal to 1. Sin x cosec x get cancelled, because cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x. Sin x get cancelled. Integral minus integral dx is equal to minus x. That means capital A is equal to minus x we have got. In the same way, capital B is equal to integral ur dx by w. ur dx by w, that is equal to integral cos x, u is cos x into capital R is cosec x. Cos x into cosec x is cosec means 1 by sin. Cos by sin is cot x dx. Cot x dx is log sin x. Learn all the differentiation and integration formulas, otherwise it is very difficult. Integral cot x is equal to log sin x. Therefore yp means particular integral. Yp, what is meant by yp? Particular integral is au plus bv. Au plus bv, how much we have got? A minus x into u is cos x, b capital B is log of sin x into v is sin x. Yp is equal to au plus bv, a into u plus b into v. Now therefore the complete solution or general solution, the complete solution is CS. The complete solution is yc plus yp. Yc plus yp means cf plus pi. Cf plus pi. Cf, how much we have got? Cf is equal to, we have got c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Equation 1 is there already. c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus pi, how much we have got? Pi means yc minus x cos x plus log sin x into sin x. This is the complete solution. Like this you have to do. It's a repeatedly asking question, very very important once again. Now the next one is d square plus a square into y. Next problem, d square plus a square into y is equal to tan ax. Now by the method of variation of parameters. To do this problem, again operator form we will write d square plus a square into y is equal to tan ax. Auxiliary equation by putting d is equal to m square plus a square is equal to 0, m is equal to plus or minus ai, m is equal to plus or minus ai. Here r, capital R, RHS side, r is equal to tan ax. Now m is equal to plus or minus ai means m is equal to 0 plus or minus alpha plus or minus beta x. A alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to a. Like this. Now therefore yc or complementary function yc is equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax, because alpha is equal to 0 to the power of 0x is 1. c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. yc is equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Now let us assume that I am assuming yc as c1u plus c2v. If you compare both equations 1 and 2, Comparing 1 and 2, how much you will get? U is equal to cos AX, V is equal to U is equal to cos AX, V is equal to sin AX. U is equal to cos AX, V is equal to sin AX. W is equal to, therefore W is equal to, write on the formula, U into dV by dx, by heart the formulas W, A and B. U into dV by dx minus V into du by dx. If you substitute the values, cos square AX plus sin square AX into A, that is equal to cos square AX plus sin square AX is 1, 1 into A is A. Now capital A is equal to minus integral VR dx by W, that is equal to minus integral sin AX into tan AX by W is A. W value is already we have got A. Minus 1 by A we will write outside. Sin AX into tan AX we can write as sin AX into cos AX. Sin square AX by cos AX. Sin square AX we can write as 1 minus cos square AX. If you split into two parts, 1 minus cos square AX by cos X, if you split into two parts, 1 by cos AX minus cos square AX by cos AX. 1 by cos AX as secant AX. Cos cancel, cos AX. Integral secant is 1 by A log secant AX plus tan AX minus integral cos AX is minus 1 by A sin AX. Now taking common 1 by A into 1 by A is 1 by A square into this one minus this one. This is the value of capital A. This is the value of capital A. Now we have to find capital B. Capital B is equal to, what is the formula? Integral U dr dx by W. U is cos AX into capital R is tan AX by A. Now if you simplify this one, sin by cos is tan, cos AX get cancelled, integral sin is cos AX by A is A into A 1 by A square. Like this you will get capital B. Now YP, the YP is equal to AU plus BV. AU plus YP means a particular integral. YP is equal to AU plus BV. A into U. U is cos AX plus B. B into V. V is sin AX. If you multiply, therefore Y is equal to YC plus YP. YC value plus YP value, if you write, you will get full marks. Based on this one, I have given few sums to you. Do the 3 sums also. Thank you.